wanna play me DJ. I wanna rap. Play my blood clot DJ. Come and shut a selector boy.
What's good, YouTube gang? It's your boy Jambisco, the girl them kiss coming back with another banger video, you know, people. And see what we're doing today. We're back with the Taliban boss himself. Yes, we're talking about none other than say you're bad from which part? Yeah man, it's been a minute. It's been a little minute, but he finally dropped a new song and a new video. We're talking about none other than Byron Messia himself. Mr. Oh, I have the biggest hit in dancehall in 2005 himself, you know what I'm saying? Byron Messia always saying some crazy stuff, you know what I'm saying, stirring up controversy and stirring up emotion in dancehall fans, having them going crazy, having going wild, and got them talking and in the tabloids, you know what I'm saying? His latest thing was talking about he has the biggest hit since 2005 and everybody been going crazy since. But we're not even here to talk about that today. We're actually here to talk about the new track and the new video he just dropped entitled Mad Dawgs. Check it out on Swear Dog I deal with. It's been a minute since he dropped a video. You see me, since he dropped the video and song. I might be wrong, he dropped. Was Taliban's remix with Byron Messia the last thing with Burna Boy? Was that last track Byron Messia did? Or the last one we reacted for him? Am I wrong, gang? Let me know in the comment section. You feel me? I think that is the last thing we reacted to yeah, the last thing we reacted was him and Russian on Tropicana. Yeah. And then him and IQ and Miss Title, you know what I'm saying, which is also off the album, you know what I'm saying. But today, yeah, you got Mad Dawgs. We don't check it out. We're not going to chat much longer, gang. Make sure y'all check out the description and join the Discord. We're over there, gang. Also, make sure you hit that like button. You don't know we're going strong over here, gang. Like, you know what I'm saying? Just become part of the family, man. Yeah, we vibing on our road to 10K. You already know what time it is. You know what I'm saying? We're not going to vibe much longer. So let's jump right in the track. This is Byron Messia, Mad Dawgs. Let's get it.
Hello, Panther. Split. You my dad. Kelly on a beat, boy.
Yeah, man. It's showing dark upon him. You see me? Darkness more talk about the bad dogs, them. You see me? Don't know, so if you like dog upon some bad man thing, you know the one. You see me? I say, yeah, man.
We not in a long talking. Yo, stick man, rise up with all team clock it. Same time, swan and calling. The same time, we have for them body. Put her in front of station, there.
Hey. Bro.
So
so disrespectful, bro.
You know Wix.
Come
Do you really?
on. This is mad disrespectful right in
First
the middle
up,
of the
we
track.
got
This
Shake.
man finna turn up right now. You know what I'm saying? I'm liking the flow. Can't tell you ain't come to play on this one. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah, man, gang. Let me know what y'all think about that one, man. Come on, let's get it.
That beat is rapid.
Easy, no? Flea him throw up on them.
Tell them man up. Brand new AK there, you must get one up.
Easy, no?
Send one up before the sun come up.
Easy.
Venezuelan link for the product.
Yeah.
Them call me the same kiss Dudus. Place I get turn up. We come up to my dad.
Oh, fuck, please. You know what I said? I call him the sickest since Dudus. What dog I say? Come in, man, dog. Flame chamber out. Hey, come in.
Dudus place I get.
Wait, dog. So we say, come in. Yeah, man. Byron Messia, this flow and this beat is crazy, man. Come
Before
on.
the sun come up. Venezuelan link for the product. Them call me the same kiss Dudus. Place I get turn up. We come up.
You might say, yo, you have Israeli and link for things turn up. You see me, them are the sickest. I think, I would ask since Dudus.
Them call me the same kiss Dudus. Place I get turn up. We come up to my dad.
I call him the Send Kids Dudus. Bombo clad. Easy, no, Byron. What do you think, BG? You see, I say that mad. Come on, gang. Man say my Send Kids Dudus. Yes, you don't know. Remember that, man. Come on.
My dad. Let me kill them bad. Let me kill them mad. Say God. From them this be man. Shit in a give them gun. Okay, land. Let me kill them mad. Let me kill them mad. My dad.
My dog. You see me, I like killer them mad. I want to them man stop playing with him. You feel me? Byron coming to make hits and hits. His clarity is crazy. You know what I'm saying? Flow and everything is there. Lyrics is there, bro. Vibes is there. Come on, energy.
Let me kill them bad. Let me kill them mad. Say God. From them this be man. Shit in a give them gun. Okay, land. Let me kill them mad. Let me kill them mad. My dog.
Yeah, man. I want to feel bad dogs and bad charge them. Big up on the damn self. Brr.
All of me sees them a bus gun. Immigration get scared when me touch down. Brand new key just clear from customs. Me and my key like wifey and
all of me kill, yo, all of me, hey, yeah, the killer them bluntly, ho, custom get freed when we touch down. Tear my youth, let's get it.
sees them a bus gun. Immigration get scared.
Man say all of me Z's them a bust gun. Come in on Z-Tech badness. Come in, bro. Let's get it. Come on.
All of me sees them a bus gun. Immigration get scared when me touch down. Brand new key just clear from customs. Me and my key like wifey and husband. Never to the place, Pop show me how to function. No every day man a bus gun. My dog, my dog.
Me and the K man say all of me Z's them a bust gun. Immigration get freed when we touch down. Brand new key come. Hey man say brand new key clear from custom. Me and the K come like wifey and husband. Tell you man, he's the my dog.
Tell them run up, brand new AK there, I must get run up. Send one up before the sun come up. Venezuela link for the product. Them call me the same kiss
Israeli link for the product.
We come up to my dog, my dog, my dog.
Come on, man. I mean, the man clarity I feel crazy, bro. Myron, come on, bro. You doing the thing, bro.
All of me killing them bad, all of me killing them mad. See up on God, from them this be man. She I think I gave them God. Okay, land, all of me killing them mad, all of me killing them mad. My dog, my dog, my dog.
Flames, man. Flames, man. Come on, gang. Let's say about that one, man. One shot for that one, man. Yeah, man. Come in. Yeah, man. Flames.
Yo, Trinidad, remember me. As a Z.
Z-Tech, Prince Swanee, Byron Messia. Big up on yourself, man. Yeah, man. Big man thing, man. Shout out to the gang. Shout out to the Z-Tech gang, man. They doing their thing, going crazy. Shout out to Byron Messia and Prince Swanee. That's a vibe, gang. I have to drop this one now. You know what I'm saying? Dog, turn up his ski, man. Yeah, man, they might do them thing. Shout out to Prince Swanee and Byron Messia, man. It's a good look. Yeah, man. Say my send kids Dudus, gang. What y'all think about that one, man? Man, going hard. Brand new. Hey, man, say yo, all of the season, my boss cut. Give me Giation, get free on the touchdown. Brand new clear. Me just clear from custom. Me and the kid coming like wifey and husband, brother. Yeah, man, now I'm gonna hold out in my tweet, man. You know what I'm saying? Nah, left his side, but yeah, man, shout out to by my side. That flow is crazy. My dog, the clarity, you see me? The clarity, the flow, the feeling, the energy, you see me? The visuals being in black and white. It's a vibe, bro. You feel me? I like the song and I like the video. You know what I'm saying? So, Byron Messia, keep up the good work, man. Keep putting that work, bro. Young in the game, bro. This is what your second year in. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, bro. Yeah, no, this is technically your first year. This your second year, bro. You're going on your second year. You feel me? After Christmas time, I think you're gonna go on your Christmas. You're gonna be on your second year, man. So first year in, bro, you do so great, bro. And you got years to go in the game, bro, and years to learn. So much to learn and so much to grow and all that good shit, bro. Come on, bro. Keep it up, Byron. You know what I'm saying? You're far, dog. We believe in your gang. Just keep doing your thing, man. I know, so sky's the limit. You see me? Yeah, man, gang. So let me know what y'all think about that one. You see me? The crazy track from Byron Messia, my dogs. If you like it, go show the artist all over on sport. Make you know it's a Jambisco and Senino. And also, gang. Yeah, man. Let me know what y'all react to next, and I'll get it done. Drop your request, man. Also, go join the Discord. Link is in the description. You don't know, you know what I'm saying? And if you like the video, man, consider subscribing and consider liking the video and consider subscribing. I appreciate y'all, man. Road to 10K on the way. We keep going, never stopping. You know, no gang. Boy Jambisco. Till next time, take care of yourself. And each other love you guys. I'm out.